A lot of us have basically the same problem. You've made an amazing, exceptional even work, and it's time to present it to someone. Potential investor, boss, some kind of official, for example, government worker. You came to them, like slammed your tungsten balls on their desk. I don't know why did you bring them, but you showed them everything. You're like, here it is. But for some reason, they didn't even care. Like, no one. You don't even know why. You like came, showed them everything, like, look how cool I am. But they don't feel it that you are cool for some reason. Why? Because they're stupid as weirdos, that's why. So for sure. But no, usually it's your presentation skills. Yeah, skill issue, I know. But here how it works. Presentation is an art of some kind. For some reason, today everything is an art and nothing is a usual boring job. Please follow my idea. My recommendations will work on any kind of presentation, but even without slides. For one person, for a big audience, like, who cares? It's the details. That's all that changes in all of this. But let's read what presentation is from Wikipedia. Presentation conveys information from a speaker to an audience. Presentations are typically demonstrations, introduction, lecture, or speech meant to inform, persuade, inspire, motivate, build goodwill, or present a new idea or product. Presentations usually require preparation, organization, event planning, writing, use of visual aids, dealing with stress, and answering questions. And that's, my guys, what you are lacking of. The less stuff. It's an art. Show the true value of your stuff in a short conversation. They did not know that you work hard for it, and they have no idea how important that is. They have, like, literally, they didn't work with you. They didn't spend like a year or like some months, or in your case, I think it's few hours working with you. So your vision is all that time and work, and theirs is just some dude talking about another idea or thing that nobody cares, man. Just, go to the farm and show it to some sheeps, I don't know. Like, who cares? Some dude again saying some weird stuff about some new product, something revolutionary, blah, 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 blah. And you can't tell them anything if you present it as a piece of crap. But what I'm talking about, even like Pentagon has slides. And you know how they look? They look like this, my boy. They look like this. It's like real Pentagon slides. And by the way, this fact is amazing. This slide's like, oh boy, maybe you should work in Pentagon, with your presentation skills. So, like, this is their peak. I would use it as an irony, and they use it as a true example. Like, as you see, it's highly professional, super vis likely or to rating leave, actually 11 and 40%. Poor. That's how you work on presentation, for sure. Go to the Pentagon if you don't want to work on this. They will accept you, I think. So how to make it work? You want it, but you have no idea to. So here some key steps for that, in my opinion. First one, be confident. It's easy to say, yeah, I know, be confident. Be don't be a pussy boy. I know. Yeah, I know about it. You, my little dead inside ghoul. But the main point here is that you have to be confident in your work, not in yourself. Who cares about you? Let's be clear. You can look as a creep, but the confidence is contagious, really. You have to show proof and viability of your stuff. It's the second thesis from me. The idea is to build an elevator to the moon, for example, or a Dyson sphere for your wife. And it could be amazing, yeah, in theory. But is it viable? And remember that it should be not just viable in reality, it should be viable financially. Calculate it. Show the date, show the data, have proof for everything, and you will be sold. And your idea will be stolen for sure, but who cares here? The third thesis is show everything correctly. Yes, you can confidently slam the door and say that your idea will work. Show the data, but all this is not viable without an explanation, how exactly. You could build a teleportation machine. If it would work, and not a lot of people would believe in you in it. So, you have to show that you are not a crazy one. You are a scientist. What is the same thing, but who cares, to be honest. Also, if you want to focus on any points, or talk about all of this in more details? Leave a like and subscribe and let me show in the comments, like basic stuff. Fourth, convey your emotions. And it's the point that everyone forgets about. You have to make people trust you. If your idea is like silly, something fun, something simple, make the whole presentation a little bit silly. If it's professional, use template from PowerPoint and etc. Something basic. Something with gold and black letters, I don't know. You know something about hustle, I don't. So this way, your audience, even if it's one person, will feel the same as you are about it. Is it really revolutionary or is just fun? Like, come on, man. You don't want to present Nickelodeon channel through the typical IT presentation startup video, Just imagine this. Revolutionary ways to watch your favorite animation and TV series, iCarly, Drake and Josh, Hey Arnold, yeah? Tell me in the comment which one was your favorite. I liked a lot like Drake and Josh and Danny Phantom for sure. Let's go to the fifth thing, and it's let them interact. Answer on their questions in the end. You have to prepare it beforehand. Yeah, I know. It sounds stupid, but what would you ask on the similar presentation? What type of questions your product creates? For example, let's imagine you're presenting something like big, like the bottle. What would you answer on the question? Like the guy stands here and he says, I'm sorry, how can I stock it in my, It's the main stuff. There's much more, but all that is the main concept. You will have to adjust to your exact situation, and I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself. No homo. Okay, leave a like, subscribe, and bye!